Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through downtown Kingston. We're currently on King Street heading towards Parade. Straight ahead is the St. William Grant Park. It's a National Heritage Site in Jamaica. Okay, so we're going to turn left onto Parade. We're currently on King Street and we're going to turn left onto Parade. As you can see, the park goes right around Parade. Okay, we're going to turn right onto East Queen Street. East Queen Street will take us back out to Camp Road. As you can see, East Queen Street is a very busy street, a lot of business places, a lot of activity. We're now at the intersection with Duke Street. And we're in the downtown Kingston area. We're just passing over the intersection with East Street. On the left is the head office for the Kingston, Jamaica Constabulary Force. Central Kingston office. They call it as Kingston Central Police Station. As you can see, this is a very busy area. A lot of bars, restaurants, stores, wholesales. Kingston is the largest city in Jamaica and it has the largest population. And Kingston was formed in the 1600s, so you're going to see a lot of historic buildings. Kingston was actually formed after the earthquake in Port Royal. Port Royal was destroyed or devastated, so Kingston was then formed as the capital of Jamaica. This intersection is the intersection of Camp Road. If we were to turn left, we would continue on Camp Road to Up Park Camp Road, where you have the JDF base. So we're now on Windward Road. And Windward Road, it takes us out to the airport. Now we're coming up on the intersection of Elliston Road. Elliston Road is famous because the head office for the Jamaica Constabulary Force is on this road. If we turn right, that would take us to the the head office, and further down that road is a general penitentiary, or GP, which is a prison in Jamaica. This is the central Kingston area. So this is Windward Road. As you can see, this section is a dual carriageway. Straight ahead on the right is the Bellevue Hospital. On the left is the Vauxhall High School. And then we're coming up to the roads on the left lead to the residential areas. On the right is the Bellevue Hospital, which is famous for housing persons with mental illness. On the left, that road we just passed takes us to Camperdown High School, which is one of the more prestigious high schools in Jamaica. And all these roads on the left take us up to residential areas. So this is a very busy area. You can see a sign on the left. Oh, this is now East Kingston. And you can see that this is the Holy Rosary Roman Catholic Church. These churches were built hundreds of years ago, and they're still standing till today. So we're coming up to the business part of Windward Road now. The part we're on before was more residential. You can see the NCB Windward Road branch. Juicy Patties on the right, another church on the left. One thing about Jamaica, they have a lot of churches, which is kind of ironic. A country with so many churches, and yet the crime rate is so high. But Jamaica is a very religious country. As you can see, this is more the business section now. This intersection is Mountain View Avenue. And if you need to get to the airport from downtown Kingston, you would take Windward Road, the road that we were just on. But if you're coming from like uptown Jamaica, the St. Andrew area, you'd come down Mountain View Avenue and come on to Windward Road at this intersection. So because of the airport, this part of downtown Kingston or East Kingston is very busy. Alright guys, thanks for watching the channel. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.